Getting a hole in your tent can be a real bummer, but if you catch it early and repair it right, your tent will serve you well for years to come. I'm Iris from MSR, and I'm here to show you how to do it. I should start off by saying the obvious. Not getting a hole in the first place is the best option. You can protect your tent by always using a footprint, never setting up a tent near a campfire, and avoiding the use of sharp things in or around your tent. Of course, there are 100 ways to put a hole in your tent, and none of them are planned, but some common sense care goes a long way. If you do get a hole in your tent, it will either be in solid fabric or mesh. The repair for each is pretty easy to do, so let's dive right in. For a rip or a hole in the tent body or Rainfly fabric, our repair shop recommends Gear-Aid's self-adhesive Tenacious Tape. It comes in various pre-cut shapes and sizes, as well as rolls for larger and custom repairs. As with any fabric repair, start by cleaning an area roughly 3/4 of an inch past the repair in all directions with a little rubbing alcohol on a pad to remove dirt and oils. Next, cut or select 2 pre-cut patches that will extend at least 1/2 inch beyond the edge of the hole. If you're cutting your own patch, be sure to round the corners, creating an oval or a circle. This will help prevent any peeling of the repair patch starting from a sharp corner. Once the area is completely dry, lay the fabric on a flat surface, center the hole in the middle of the patch, and lay the patch over the area. Be sure to press and rub thoroughly. Then, flip the fabric over and repeat the same steps on the other side, sandwiching the repair between 2 layers of Tenacious Tape. Repairing a hole in mesh is just as easy, but first be sure you actually have a hole. Often, what looks like a hole is just bunched up fibers in the knitted mesh. This can be fixed by just putting a hand behind the area in question and then rubbing vigorously in all directions to see if the fibers realign. Watch our micromesh video for more on this. If this works, you're all set. If it doesn't, or you obviously see frayed threads and a distinct hole, use the same sandwich style repair recommended for fabric repairs, but use Tenacious Tape mesh repair patches instead. Made for holes less than 3 inches in diameter, these come pre-cut in circles and have an adhesive border for easy application. For bigger holes, use Tenacious Tape, just like you would with the solid tent body fabric. It might not be as pretty, but that's the only difference you'll notice, and you'll be back on the trail, bug-free in no time. And that's it. I think you'll find that repairing tears in your tent is quick, easy, and a great way to extend the life of your MSR tent. We'll see you out there.